Hi, how's it going?
I'm good. How's it going?
I'm doing good, thank you. It's nice to meet you. What's your name?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet
You're
you. Where are you from?
I'm from
Where? Oh,
yes.
nice. And tell me about yourself.
Alright, so I'm Jinsy and I come from Vietnam and I'm 19.
Oh,
Yeah.
awesome. I'm
And
19
you?
also. Yeah, yeah. My name is Joey. I'm from the
Joe,
United Kingdom and I'm also 19 years old.
really?
Yeah, I'm 19, so it's great to meet you.
Yeah. So are
So
you a
tell
student or are you
Yes,
work?
I'm a student in college currently. I'm studying in
Yeah,
the field of physical therapy. So
that's
that's what I'm
nice.
studying right now, physical therapy. I like to do workouts, I like to play basketball. Tell me about yourself.
Mm. Yeah, I am a second year in university in Vietnam and I'm majoring in human resource.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what brings you to that course? What made you want to take that course?
The course here in Cambly.
Wait a minute.
No, in your college, what made you want to take that course?
What made me want to take the course in college?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, because I would like to have a you know in the future, and
Hmm.
second, it is the major related to how to work with people, and yeah,
Okay.
I want to work with people, so yeah,
Hmm. Oh, me too.
mhm,
That's really awesome. Well, it's really great to
really,
meet you.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Well, for me, like I would like to. I'm pursuing a degree in physical therapy, and for me, that means working with people's bodies to strengthen them, to make them, to rehabilitate. So that's something I'd like to do.
Okay, I'm sorry, but like my English is not good, so
I'm sorry.
then yeah, you can
I'll
speak
slow down.
slower.
Oh, sorry,
Yes.
sorry. Yeah. Well, yeah. So you're taking a human. Could you repeat your course? What was the course that you're taking?
Yeah, human resource management.
Okay, that's really cool.
Yes.
And what will you do with your course degree when you
Yeah,
graduate? What is your plan?
in my degree, we would like no, we would learn some subjects related to management skill, and it also contains like accounting, or the subjects related to business like um, microeconomics, macroeconomics, and something like that.
Hmm.
And yeah.
That's really fun. Yeah, that sounds like a lot of fun. And where will you
How
do the
about you?
majority? Yeah. For me, I live in the Philippines with my family. We came here when I was
Yeah,
very young, so I came here
yeah.
when I was 11 years old, and we do
Mm,
lots of different projects to help people here. And for me, when I
uh-huh.
graduate, I would like to help people with physical therapy program, like to help them if they're injured, if they don't have any money, I'd like to help them with my degree.
Wow, that's so cool.
Oh,
It's
thank
like
you.
you do charity. Charity, is that
Charity.
right?
Yeah.
Charity, right?
Yeah.
Oh, so are you Christian?
Yes. What
Yeah,
about
I
you?
like just Christian too. I am
Oh,
Roman
awesome.
Catholic.
Oh, nice. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's awesome. Oh, it's great. It's great that you want to work with humanities. I think that's a really cool degree to pursue.
Yeah.
It's a really cool course.
I see in your intro video you have a dot in, a red dot
Oh, that was a
in the
pimple.
forehead. What's that?
It was a pimple.
Temple, what's that? I don't know that.
Like, oh, I'll type it.
Yeah.
It's like acne.
Acne.
Yeah, yeah. It was
Oh,
just acne.
wow. I just
Yeah.
like
It
I
it
thought
was a bad
it's
day.
related to your
No, no, no.
religion.
It was just a bad day. My head looked bad, so yeah.
Oh my God! So in the right middle
Yeah,
in
it
your
was right in the
forehead.
middle, so it looks really bad.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Somebody no. Okay, so you know what? I'm having an upcoming exam, so
Okay.
it's like a speaking part 3 in IELTS.
Okay.
Yeah. Then I really want to have some ideas and as well some new words. So yeah, I would ask you some questions. Okay.
Sure. Anything.
Okay. So okay. So do you think festivals are important for society and why?
I think that festivals are important in the sense that they relate to culture. Festivals themselves are fun, but I think that a deeper importance comes from their historical meaning. I think that festivals come from culture, and I think that part of someone's culture is revealed through festivals. And in the Philippines, we have different festivals here celebrating old Filipino culture, and I think that festivals are important to society because they relate to the nation's culture.
Oh wow. Yeah, amazing.
Thank you.
Okay, next.
Okay.
Okay, so what what changes in terms of the way people spend traditional holidays have taken place in the past decades?
In the past decade,
In the past decades, yes.
I think that in the past decade, traveling has been revolutionized because there is a more widespread availability for travel and more opportunities to see which is the best deal. So I think that the availability to travel to new locations with the help of translating apps has been um, much more globalized. I think that anyone who
Yeah,
can just speak English can go to most countries and use a
yeah.
translator and have no problem. So I think that traveling ability has gone up so much in the past decade.
Okay, I'm sorry, but can you
Slow down.
distinguish like yeah, well then, like uh, can you distinguish yeah, festival,
Mhm.
holiday and celebration?
Distinguish each of them. Okay. A
Yes.
festival is also referred to as a parade or party that I would call in a larger sense. It's like some large celebration that goes on with occasionally which has like a huge parade of people going through. And then you said Christmas.
Mm,
Christmas is a holiday celebrated on the Greco-Roman calendar in
yeah.
December, and it's celebrated for the birth of Jesus Christ, but they don't really know when his birthday was, but that's when they celebrate it. And what was the third one? You said festival, Christmas, and
No, festival, holiday
a holiday.
and celebration. Yes.
Okay, so a holiday can refer to anything from a long vacation. So the longest holiday is usually summer vacation, or it can
Mm,
mean a holiday in celebration of a national event. It can mean in celebration of any event that has significance in the country. So there can
mm-hmm.
be sometimes there are bank holidays, sometimes there are national heroes holiday, and those holidays most in most cases are only one day off. But then you have the scheduled holidays where you have 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or even 8 weeks for a full summer break.
Okay, and celebration is like a holiday? Okay,
Celebration?
yes.
Do you want me to explain what celebration is?
Celebration is like holiday, right?
Celebration is um, so it's I know it sounds dumb. It's celebrating or being happy about something that's happening. So you can celebrate a holiday. There is a
Mm-hmm.
celebration for holiday, but there's also a celebration for passing your grades. There's a celebration for doing something well. There's a celebration for winning a game in basketball. There's a celebration for doing anything that's good, that has a good outcome.
So is that like an answer for the question why do people celebrate holidays, right?
Yeah, because people celebrate holidays because um, well, each holiday has a different meaning, and they celebrate because they have purpose from those holidays.
Yeah. All right. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Any other questions?
Do you want more?
Sure.
Not. Sure.
If
Okay.
it helps you, of course, yeah.
Okay, right. Let me see. Um. Okay. So, do people prefer living in apartments or in houses in your country, and why?
So I think people prefer living in houses not only because they are more spacious, but because it brings a sense of community to that one house. And the Philippines is a very community-based nation. So when people get to live in one house as a big family, I think that's something that is much more desired than living in an apartment which just has separate rooms or apartment suites.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yep.
Okay, so I think this question is for you.
Okay.
Okay, why do you think people choose to become teachers?
um, I think people choose to become teachers for a variety of reasons. I think that people become teachers to help students. People might become teachers because it's something that they are comfortable or feel called to. I think people
Yes.
can choose to be teachers because it's something that is most convenient. For me, being a teacher is something that is comfortable with me and I
Mm-hmm.
enjoy it, and it is most convenient because I'm a college student, so I'm busy lots of the time, then I'm teaching, and it's very convenient because I can choose my time that I tutor.
Yeah, okay, fantastic.
Thank you.
One more, okay?
Okay.
What
Yeah.
makes a good teacher?
A good teacher is engaged with the students, a good teacher listens, and a good teacher won't just allow mistakes all the time because that teacher won't be teaching anything.
Yeah, so are you a good teacher?
I hope so, but there's no way for me to say.
Also?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, we'll see.
Yeah.
Right, okay, so that's it. Hmm.
Well, thank you for asking me the questions, and thanks for booking a reservation with me. It was awesome meeting you.
Yeah,
And if you'd ever like to
okay.
chat again, just let me know. We can book a appointment or something like that. I'm not sure.
Yeah, but the time is still yes. So
Yeah, still 2 minutes.
yeah, so we can have a little conversation.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah. So I have a problem with my listening. You know, I love watching movie, but I can't understand the movies without subtitle, and
Okay.
I can't understand the lyrics of any songs in music. No, in English.
Hmm.
Yeah. Except for when I'm searching for the lyrics on internet, so I
Oh,
can.
really?
Yeah. So that's really difficult for me. So, do you have any advice for me?
Advice. One thing I
Yeah.
would recommend is maybe listening to one video while watching it with subtitles and then rewatching it without subtitles now that you've already seen it. And then you can
Yes.
recognize these words and then become more familiar with them.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay,
So
I'll
if you
do
watch
that.
it with subtitles and then take away the subtitles afterwards, because then you're listening and you know what the words are going to be, and then you'll hear them more often and you'll be like, oh, I know this one.
Yeah, but like watching movies that like um many times is
It's
a
boring.
quite yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Maybe do it with songs. Try songs. I think songs are very short. They're enjoyable. I think
Yes.
songs, maybe, I don't know, rap songs are a little bit difficult. Try to find a song that you enjoy. Maybe like a pop song, like anything like Taylor
Okay.
Swift or, anyone like that.
Yeah,
Just to
Taylor
listen to
Swift.
the lyrics. Yeah, anyone like that.
Okay, so thank you so much, and it's really
No
lovely
problem.
talking to you today.
Yeah, I enjoyed it.
Yeah,
It was really great
yeah.
meeting you.
So have a great day and take
You
care.
too. You
Yeah.
too. I hope to speak to you again soon if you'd like to. So
Okay, so see you.
see
Mm,
you soon.
bye.
Have a good day. See ya.
Yeah, thank you so much.
See ya.